From today onwards, we are going to start with actually what our Selenium WebDriver. So we have seen about our Selenium IDE, how to install, download, install, and then utilize it. So today we are going to see how to utilize actually our Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So to have your Selenium WebDriver, so first you have to go to your Selenium hq.org website. Then go to the download section. Okay, so here you can see little bit down Selenium client and WebDriver language. Okay, so here we have Java, C#, Ruby, Python, JavaScript. So totally Selenium supports actually what 7 different languages. See, if you click on documentation, you can see Java, C#, Python, Ruby, PHP, Perl, JavaScript. Okay, totally 7 languages they support. Out of that, widely used language in Selenium is what means Java. So that's why we are also actually what going on with Java only for us. So here, if I come down, Selenium client and WebDriver is there, right? So here, if you see Java is there. So there, when you click on download, you will get the latest version 3.13. Okay, those jar files will get downloaded. In case if you want actually what older versions of jar file. So right now we are using actually what older versions of my Firefox browser. So my Firefox browser is actually, I just open, go to L about Firefox. So mine is actually what 46.0. So my older versions of jar files actually what Selenium only will support for me. So I need to go to the previous releases means. So go to the top under the download section. Previous releases will be there. So click on this. So here you can see all those things 2.3 and all those things. So right now actually what till 2.53 Firefox was a default browser for Selenium. That is, we don't need to give anything special extra efforts over there. From 3 versions onwards, okay, Firefox also has become as a third-party browser for Selenium here. That's it. Okay, no major changes. That's a one thing. And then after that, a little bit extra things. Actually, they don't want to keep it anything actually what their own source. They want everything to be externalized over there, so that actually what whoever wants they plug and use it over there. Okay, that's what they want the Selenium to be done. So that's what they've done. So then here right now, see till 3.9 we have here. So like that we have all the versions over jar files here. 3.9 to see 3.13 all those things. So for me 3.13 will work for me. Sorry, 3.9 will work for me right now. Let me see whichever works for me right now. So now what I will do first, I will go for 2.53. We will see how actually what previous older versions of your Firefox browser works with actually what 2.53. Then finally we'll go for the 3 version. So 2.53 I'll download. So here you can see once I click on the folder, you can see a lot of information will be there. So which one we need right now means my Selenium server standalone. Okay, sorry, Selenium Java 2.53 one is there. So this is what I need. So I will download this. So once I click on it, I'll be getting a jar file. So already I have downloaded. So let me show that. Under the D drive, Murli laptop, G drive, Selenium jar files. So here we have WebDriver jar. Okay. 2.53. Yeah. Okay. I'll be getting a zip file like this. When I right click extract, we will be getting a folder like this. Okay. So right click on this extract here. When you do, you'll get this folder. Inside that you can see outside there will be 2 jar files. Inside the library there will be all these jar files 21. So outside these 2 jar files are the very important jar files that we need to mandatorily add it. Then these things also is needed for us actually what whenever we go further more on the Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so we download the jar files. Now I need to open my Eclipse. So go to the D drive, Eclipse I'll open. So still now anyone has any questions? Let them get open. Sorry, I was in mute. Okay, sorry guys. Sorry guys. Let me do again. Okay, so I'll come here. So first, I need to go to my Selenium HQ website. Now clear for everyone? My voice is audible, right? Okay, so now I have gone to my Selenium HQ website. So in the Selenium HQ website, go to the download section. Under the download section, you can see Selenium client and WebDriver will be here. Okay, so if you want to get the latest jar file, you can go here. Otherwise, you want to see uh, all the previous old jar files versions over there means. So you have to go to the previous releases. Under this place, you can see all the versions right now. So right now I'm going at actually what 2.53 because till 2.53 actually what Firefox was a default browser. After the 2.53, as Firefox also has become as a third-party browser. That's it, not more than that. Okay, so I'll go to the 2.53. Here you have to download Selenium Java 2.53.1 because we are working on Selenium Java only, right? So Selenium Java 2.53.1. So we have to download this. That's it. So when I downloaded it, I'll be getting actually one zip file like this. When I right click, extract here, I'll be getting actually one folder called Selenium 2.53.1. If you go inside, here I'll be getting these two. Under the library, you can see all the jar files. That's not clear, right? That's what we have got right now. Clear? Any questions so far for anyone? So how we got the jar files, everyone is clear? Then after you get the jar files, now I will go and create a new project. So new project, my Selenium I will create. Then I'll make it as Java SE 1.8 or 1.7, the execution environment. Then click on finish. I got it. Then right click on the Selenium project, then go to the build path, then configure build path. Here under the library section, add external jars. Then after that, go to the 2.53.1. Then add these two jar files. That is, once you go to the Selenium 2.53.1 folder, outside there will be two jar files here, Selenium Java, Selenium Java. That is the important jar file that need to be added. Open. Then again inside the library folder, again we need to add the all jar files. That's it. So once you add all those things, click on apply and close. Once you click apply and close, you can see an extra one more library section called reference libraries will be created. That's it. Clear for everyone? This is what we have done till now. Any questions for anyone on this? Anyone has any questions so far? Clear guys for everyone? Any questions? Can everyone ping me in the chat windows? Yes, if you are able to understand it. Can everyone ping me? Clear, right? Cool. So now, okay. So now we have actually what got the jar files. Now we will start to write the code of Selenium. How to do it? So simple. Right click on the source folder. I will create a new package. I'll create a class. Directly there I'll create the package also. I'll create the package name as sample here. Browser invoke. I will just create. Then I'll have my main function. So I created a package called sample under a class name called browser invoke. That's it. Then here, what I will do. So here I'm going to actually create a browser. So the first thing what we have to do it in our Selenium is I need to open my Firefox browser. So if I go to the Selenium HQ website, okay, Selenium client and WebDriver, right? So we are working on with Java. So under the Java we have download section. Another one we have Java doc. Okay, click on the Java doc right now. So here you can see all the packages of Selenium. We can see this place. You can see all the classes in all the packages. Okay, so what does that mean? See here, we have added the reference library, right? So here we have one folder called one jar file called Selenium Java 2.53. If you open that, see com.thoughtworks.selenium, com.thoughtworks.selenium, com.thoughtworks.selenium.condition. So all the jar files that are there in the Selenium thing that we have it over here. Clear, right? Okay, that's what we have it in this place. Okay, so here these jar files actually what they have one package for our actually what every browser level also. See org.openqa.selenium.chrome .firefox .edge, then same thing .ie, then .opera, .safari. For every browser they have their own specific package also. So these packages will help us actually to work on with our Firefox browser or a Google Chrome browser. See, Firefox driver is a class which will help us to work on with Firefox browser. Chrome driver will help me to work on the Chrome browser. Internet Explorer driver help me to work on with the Internet Explorer driver over there. So like that, everything it will be useful for us to work on with. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. So now we are going to work on with Firefox browser. So to work on with Firefox browser, what we need to do, so here onwards we will try to actually Google and then get our answers. So how to do? So simple. Okay, open Firefox browser in Selenium WebDriver. Okay. Okay, open Firefox browser and Selenium WebDriver. So here, so I'll go to the first two URLs. Let me see. So here they have mentioned here WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. They have given. Still going. Okay, WebDriver driver is equal to new Firefox driver. Before that, we have this actually one more command here that we will see actually what later. So as of now, I'll copy this code. So here, let me paste it. So WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. When I type it, so can you see when it's throwing me an error. When I mouse over, it's showing import Firefox driver openqa.org.openqa.selenium.firefox. We have imported this actually what class from this package so that I can access all the public members from this class. Same thing, WebDriver. When I mouse over, org.openqa.selenium.webdriver here. So that's what we got it here. See, Firefox driver. So this class we have invoked. Another one actually what WebDriver. Okay, WebDriver. It's an interface. Okay, so we have got these two things. So WebDriver is what means that the supermost interface for all the browser related classes. Okay, so Firefox driver is a child class for this WebDriver interface over there. So for all the browser classes, WebDriver is the super interface for all the things. Okay, so now here this line, what it will do, right click, run as Java application. So just I'm trying to execute this class. So I gave right click, run as Java application. So we'll see what's going to happen. Just running. See, it has opened a new Firefox browser for me here. Can you see? 2 times I ran, so 2 Firefox browser opened for me. So now I will run it again, run as Java application. You can see a browser will be opened right now. New browser will come. See, a new browser is opened right now. That's it. So this command will help me to open a Firefox browser. Okay. So next step, driver dot get. Okay. Then it accepts actually one string URL in the string URL. So that will help me to enter the URL into my browser. That's it. Okay. So how, for example, I need to open Amazon something. Amazon.in. So if I want to invoke, I'll copy this URL. Okay, always it accepts actually what with HTTPS protocol. Okay, always Selenium accepts actually what ID or WebDriver always accepts actually what protocol here, HTTP or it should be HTTPS over there. Then only it will work. Now let me run it again. Right click, run as Java application. See, it has opened the Firefox browser and then it has entered the URL called Amazon.net. That's it. Clear? Now, next thing, what I want to do is, after opening the browser, I need to close it. Driver.close. Okay, open the browser, enter the URL, then close it. See, open the browser, enter the URL. Now it will close the browser also. See, it has closed. That's it. Understood? Any questions? Helps you to invoke the Firefox browser, enter the URL, then finally close the browser. That's what it's gonna do. Understood, guys? Any questions so far? Yes, we can use Chrome. Can everyone ping me in the chat windows? Yes, if you have understood this part. Any questions for anyone on this? Can everyone ping me in the chat windows? Yes, if you have understood it. Guys, no one has understood, or you have understood? I did not get a reply from anyone. You want me to repeat or whatever you want to do, please let me know. Cool. Okay, great. So now actually what we have tried with actually what? Opening your Firefox browser and then we tried. So let me open this. So we'll see some things. So first here we saw how to launch a Firefox browser. Then how to enter a URL in the browser. Then how to close the browser. Next one we have driver.quit. So what is this driver.quit means? That is Selenium actually, but in case if there are two windows we have opened, it means what will happen? Driver.close will help always to close actually what? One browser alone. Okay, but quit will help me to close all the browsers. Okay, so close will help me to close all the single browser which has its content. Quit will help me to close all the browsers. That's what it will do. Clear? Any questions for anyone on this? Close will help me to close the current browser alone. Okay, so for example, what I'm trying to say here means, so right now I'm there in Amazon. So I'll just go to some place over there. So here, when I click on this, in case it has opened me one more browser here. So what will happen? Selenium will have control only on this browser. So when I give driver.close, only this browser will be closed, but this browser will not be closed. So that's why actually what, when we use driver.quit, both the browser will be closed for me. That's what driver.quit will do. Close all the browsers invoked by Selenium. Clear? What are the 8 different ways to identify an element? Okay, so, okay, these things we'll see later. Okay, so now same thing. Now we have tried with Firefox browser. Now we will try to invoke actually what? Google Chrome. So Google Chrome, if you want to invoke what we saw, that is Chrome driver. So Chrome driver is the class which will help me to invoke the Chrome browser. So what to do? Same thing, WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver is there, right? Instead of that, I need to give WebDriver driver is equal to Chrome driver. It's case sensitive, we have to give properly. So I'll just give a different object name, driver1 simply. That's it. So Chrome driver, I need to import it. So I got it. So now let me run it. So I'll just comment these 3 lines. Now let me run it. We'll see what error we are getting. Right click, run as Java application. Illegal state exception. The path to the driver executable must be set by the WebDriver.chrome.driver using the system property. Okay, so that's what we need to do over here. Okay, so what is that I need to do? Means so simple. I need to set the system property for the WebDriver.Chrome.Driver. So how? So simple. That is what I will do. So here, let me open Firefox browser. We did means now I will give Chrome browser and Selenium WebDriver. So Chrome browser, if I want to do, so simple. Here I need to give system.set property WebDriver.Chrome driver path of my Chrome driver of exe file. What is that Chrome driver.exe file? We will see. System.set property WebDriver.Chrome.driver, then path of my Chrome driver.exe file. So what is that? We will get it. So if I go to my Selenium HQ website, okay, under my download section, so Internet Explorer we have here. Another one, if I come little bit down, you can see third-party drivers. So here you can see Google Chrome driver. Okay, so I need to get it. Just click on this. So here you can see the latest release is 2.4.0. Okay, so right now for me actually what I am not having a very latest version of my Chrome. Help about Google Chrome. I'm having actually what 67. Okay, I'm having the latest version only. So then I can go with the latest version of my Chrome driver only. So let me click on this. All versions available in downloads. So when I click on it, here you can see all the versions over there. See 2.40, 3.9, all those things we have here. Okay, see they have mentioned actually what which versions also it will support also. Okay, so now I will go to the latest Chrome 2.4.0. Here you can see Chrome driver Windows 32. So Mac, Linux for Ubuntu. So now mine is a Windows machine. So I will click on this. I will go and download in my place. D drive, Murli laptop, Selenium jar files. Here we have drivers. So here actually what right now the version is 2.40, right? So new version. I will just give version 22.40. I will just give. I'll open this. So here I got this. So when you right click and then when I extract it, so I need to rename it to a different name. So 2.40 I'll just give. So it is created here. Okay, that's it. So this is my exe file information. So press shift key, right click, copy the path. That's it. Go here. Then here I need to paste the path. So simple. Then always actually what path should be given in double backward slash in my Selenium, right? That's what we gave. Clear? Now right click, run as Java application. See, it has opened the Chrome browser right now. That's it. Now I need to enter the URL. So I will just copy paste the same thing. Driver 1. So this command help me to open the Chrome browser. This will help me to enter the URL. So we will be getting this actually what red mark information. These are all actually what not a error. Okay, just saying actually what starting your it's like actually what an information is showing. Starting the Chrome driver 2.40, okay, on the port number, and information is showing. Only local connections are allowed, like that. Right click, run as Java application. Now we should open the Chrome browser and then enter the URL amazon.in. See, it has entered. If I want to close it, driver one dot close. Open the browser, enter the URL, then finally, after loading, closes the browser. So simple. Same thing if it is actually what Internet Explorer browser, what I need to do means same step, nothing, copy paste. The only thing is here, right now actually what Chrome. So if I go here, so Chrome browser is right, we gave Chrome. Same thing if it is actually what Internet Explorer browser, Internet Explorer driver, right? So for that, the only changes, this should be actually what IE. Okay, then I need to give a place where my IE browser is located. So let me give that. That's it. So webdriver.ie.driver. Then after that, here I need to give it. Okay. So how to do it? So we'll see. Driver to this one I'll give. So where I can get the IE driver? So simple. We have already seen. Go to the Selenium HQ website, download section. Here you can see Internet Explorer driver. You can get it. Otherwise, so right now actually what we went to the previous releases, right? So here you go, 2.53 I'm working. So here you can see IE driver server Windows 32 and then server x64. Can you see? That's the thing. So right now minus 2.531 and then my actually what system is 64-bit. So I need to download this. So same place I'll go. Two dot five three one. Okay, so right click, extract here. Yeah, okay, I'll rename it. I'll click on OK. Okay, this is the place. So now press Shift key, right click, copy as path. Okay, we have got it right now. So here I will go. Then this place I need to paste it. Then everywhere give it in backward slash. Clear, right? We gave this one. So here instead of Chrome driver, so what is that I need to give over here? It is a Internet Explorer driver. This class name. That's the change. Then I need to import it. Same concept what we did for the Chrome driver is what I need to do. The only places where we need to download the exe file is what I have told you. Okay, so Internet Explorer, if you want to download, so where we just went to the previous releases, download previous releases 2.53, then here IE driver X server x64 2.53.1 zip. That's what we have done. Clear? Now right click, run as Java application. So now, okay, first it's opening Chrome driver, enter the URL and then close the browser. Next, it opens the IE driver browser. So IE browser will be opened now. Okay, there's some firewall is there. So opens the Amazon.in. Now it will close it after loading. That's it. Clear? Any questions so far for anyone on this? Clear, right, for everyone? Clear, right? Any questions? How to open a Firefox browser, Chrome browser, and then IE driver browser? We saw. Okay. Same thing if it is actually what your latest version. So right now we have seen for actually what my previous releases, right? So if it is actually what my latest version, so right now 3.13, I'm not sure whether it will work for my browser. Okay, so this Java 3.13, I'm not sure, but actually what I am sure actually what 3.9 will or 3.10 will work for me. So let me go for the 3.10 because after 3 everything remains same. So I'll go for the 3.10. Then let me download this. So Selenium Java 3.10.zip. So already I have it in this place. So let me go here. WebDriver jar. Okay, 3.4 works for me right now. Okay, so 3.4. So already actually what I have downloaded that and then I have extracted it here. So 3.4. Okay, so here you will be getting these jar files. So what we need to do, so simple. So my Selenium is my new project. So right click, build path, configure build path. So now I will add my new jar files. So let me remove the old things. Okay, so this is like this fresh. So right click, go to the build path, configure build path. Then under the library section, add external jars. Then go to the Selenium 3.4. Go for it. Then here Selenium combine 3.40. Add that. Add external jars. Go to the library section. Add all these things also. That's it. Apply and close. So we have added all those things. Clear? Same concept I'm gonna do right now. Right click new class. Learn Selenium. I'll just give simply some name. Package. I'm a main function. Finish. Okay. So first I need to invoke my Firefox browser. So let me copy this. Same code. I'm going to paste it over there. So we have got the WebDriver, Firefox driver, all those things. Okay. Now let me run it. We'll check whether it works. See, it again throws an error, illegal state exception. That is, the path to the driver executable must be set by the webdriver.geeko.driver. Okay, that's it. So the same information which we got over there for our Chrome browser before. So I got that. System.setProperty webdriver.geeko.driver. Okay, then after that I need to give my information where my exe file is present. So where my exe file is present right now means, so if you see, Okay, let me tell you where to download. So here, come to the Selenium HQ download section, third party drivers. Okay, under that you can see Mozilla Geeko driver. Okay, click on this. This is the place you can see all your Geeko driver information. See, if I go down, sorry, I moved here. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay. So once you click on this, actually, what latest? Okay. So once you click on it, here you can see actually what all the versions over there. Okay. So that's what. So right now, actually, what 0.2.1.0 is actually what released 26 days before. Okay, but mine is actually what a little bit older version which will not work with this. So I know already which works for me right now. So let me take that. So drivers. So this Geeko driver version. So most probably actually what 17 will work for me according to my understanding, or 15. 15 or 17 will work for me. So if you want the older versions, just scroll down. That's it. 20.01. So down, version 18, version 16. So 2017, these were. Okay, so this is what. So here, in case if I want actually what version 16 or 17 over there means, so simple. Just actually what mine is a Windows 64-bit or a 32-bit or a Ubuntu 32-bit or 64 or Mac. So I need to. Mine is a 64-bit. Once I download, so I'll be getting actually what a zip file like this. When I right click extract, I'll be getting actually what a exe file like this. That's it. So now press shift key, right click, copy as path. Then paste the information here. Okay, so simple. We just download the exe file, and then after that we just gave information where my exe file is present. That's what we have done. So right click, run as Java application. So what I did, I have got actually what 3.4 version of my jar files for Selenium, and then I given where my actually what my information of my Chrome browsers are present. Sorry, my Geeko driver is present. So see, it opens the browser, enters the URL. Clear? Any questions so far, everyone? Okay, that's it. Clear, guys? So the WebDriver exception right now actually what it because of the what is it, the dot close actually what right now is not working. So because actually what the version was not supported, I need to go for a good version over there. That's it. But concept remains same. Okay. See, it opens the Firefox browser, enters the URL, and then finally if I give driver.close, it should close over there. Right now I have not given. That's it. Clear? So these things actually what are not errors. It's giving me information over there as the port number, which one is trying over there, and then where my information of my exe file is present. All those things is what actually they are giving here. Same concept. I will just take this also, copy paste here. No code change. The only thing is actually what for the older version 2.53 and then the new version 3 is what means this extra line we will add it for the Firefox browser. Remaining stuffs will be same. There will not be any changes there. Clear for everyone? Any questions, guys? Anyone has any questions so far? Can everyone ping me in the chat windows? Yes, if I've understood actually what how to open a Firefox browser or a Chrome browser or Internet Explorer browser, and then enter the URL and then close the browser. That's what we have seen in older version and then in the newer version. That's the only thing. Good. So Kirti, Parth also. Okay, Kirti, you understood? Which you understood? No, set property is nothing actually. What it's just a syntax copy paste over there. Nothing apart from that. Just a syntax over there. So sorry, syntax WebDriver.Chrome driver here, WebDriver.IE driver, WebDriver.Geeko driver. Then you have to give where is the exe file. You have to get it over there. So I want everyone today itself. I want everyone to make sure you are going to download the older versions of actually what your Selenium WebDriver, new versions of your Selenium WebDriver browser, and then get the exe file, and then after that do it. So today itself, I want everyone to do it, because so then only you can parallelly work on with me. That's the thing. Okay, it's a simple concept. Go through my video. Everything will be clear. I will be just telling you where to get all those things. Okay, that's what. Today itself, practice it. Okay, guys. Okay, so with this, I'll stop it for today. So just everyone alone, make sure you download the jar files and then practice it today. Okay, thank you. Thanks, guys. So tomorrow we'll meet by same time. Thank you.